Now children, today let's start with chapter number 7, how, when and where. So in this chapter we will study about our major development during 18th century. So let's overview first. So in India, modern period began in 18th century after the death of last Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb. Right? So decades become and none of them proved to be powerful and efficient. What happened? Jat Sikhs, they build up army, strong army. And in Deccan region, जितने भी powerful क्या था के nobles थे, what they do, they are carved out the independent states. इन्होंने अपनी अपनी independent states को carve out करा. European hands come to India, वो trade करने आए थे 16 और 17th century में. Portuguese आए, Dutch आए, Dane आए, ठीक है, French आए, and your English. So what happened? Portuguese were out of the race in the short while and they took full advantage of political choice, right? And then what happened? Trading rights. In this manner, it was clear that French and the English were soon more just traders and what they started modernization of Europe. So the people of 11th century Indian society were divided by religion, reason, tribes, language and caste. And however, what happened? Hindu society was caste ridden. कैसी थी? Caste ridden थी and people of different castes did not mix. So what happened? They were divided into two main sects, the Shias and Sunnis. They fall in the moral standards and widow remarriage was not allowed. Child marriage was quite common and अब जो custom था सती का वो क्या था? Prevalent था over that time. Land भी contrast करे जाते थे. So you can say that trade flourished the times of peace, times of war, trade and internal, external, and they greatly suffered. Right? Each polity ruled heavy custom duties. They break out Mughal rule and impoverished the noble who were main consumers of the article. So what happened? Even science and technology were neglected. Art and architecture had set back during the 18th century. And you can see Hyderabad, Kashmir. Most of the painters, they migrated from there. And education was limited to literate, row and philosophy. No attention was paid to science and technology. In short, 18th century, confusion, anarchy and restlessness, India was politically divided into what? Warning groups. Weakness of Indian kingdoms was an opportunity for the British to expand and they fully benefited from their disunity and backward. During British rule, India was renowned for her wealth. India economy जो थी वो shattered हो गई थी. जितनी भी industries थी वो decline होने लगी थी. Mass suffered so much. And what happened? At the end of 19th century, जितनी भी all Indian movement थी, what they saved and after a long period of sacrifice, untold miseries, India won their freedom in 1947. Right? Independence threw up a big challenge to make India economically strong. Our leaders, they resolved to modernize agriculture, industrialize India, eradicate poverty and create employment. Modern period of India क्या था? Full of challenges था, right? Stresses, strains with many ups and downs. Major development during the 18th century. So period of 18th century, it was generally regarded as the darkest period in the history of India. It was touched as the lowest point of moral disintegration, political degradation and weakness. So, H.G. Rawlinson remarks that general condition of India in the 11th century were, कैसी थी general condition? It was perhaps unhappiest in the checkered. So what happened? You can see northern India became a scene of plunder and slaughter. Marathas ने क्या करा? They swept down to the plains of and they raid and slaughtered there. Disintegration of Mughal Empire dropped. जितने भी powerful, ambitious थे, brave person थे, and there were thousands of necessary soldiers that have eager to serve any prince. So Golconda left the Deccan an easy victim, and ceaseless civil wars were fought in the Deccan by the families. So in territories, what happened? Government was not as regular system of administration. Life became dull, decay, and fatalism determining the action of period. Lowest point of decline for over 100 years for about middle of 18th century. It was true that it was dark even Indian history. Now new geographical categories. So mid 18th century, new inventions such as steam engine, power loom, cotton, industrial revolution in England was led. So what? European got cheap raw metal, half processed and high benefited in India and other countries. Europe, America, Middle East, Asia and Southeast Australia and Pacific, they all in the 18th century, जितने भी आपके provincial थे, जैसे अवध हो गया, बंगाल हो गया, हैदराबाद हो गया, declared their independence. राजपूत क्या हो गए थे? They become powerful. बैटल ऑफ पानीपत होता है जिसमें अहमद साहब गाली होते हैं. ठीक है, सिख जो होते हैं वो अपने इंडिपेंडेंट स्टेट स्टैब्लिश कर देते हैं। महाराजा रंजीत सिंह जो होता है एंड हैदर अली एंड हिज सन टिपू सुल्तान दे एस्टैब्लिश एंड कंसोलिडेटेड किंगडम ऑफ मैसूर। फिर आपके 3 कर्नाटिक वॉर होते हैं 1744 से 1763 के बीच में, एंड द नेशनलिस्ट मूवमेंट जो थी इन इंडिया in 1847 led to the independence of India. Now dates or outline of the time period. In history, use dates for the help of relation. Right? Came first, we can rule earlier as certainty. History certainly was about change. देखो आप देखेंगे कि हिस्ट्री में जो चेंजेस हैं वो टाइम टू टाइम अकर हो रहे थे, एंड इट इज अबाउट फाइंडिंग हाउ थिंग्स वर इन द पास्ट एंड हाउ इट चेंज, कैसी थी और कैसे कैसे वो धीरे धीरे चेंज होती। राइट, वी मेक थिंग्स फॉर ग्रांटेड एंड इनोवेट, बट मोस्ट ऑफ द मूवमेंट्स ऑफ वंडर व्हेन वी वर क्यूरियस एंड आस्क क्वेश्चन वर एक्चुअली कैसे थे, हिस्टोरिकल। Right, when the railway built and how it was curious, the history of many countries had people to get hear about the things from newspaper. Right, we have ancient, medieval and modern period over here, and in India 18th century is generally considered as the starting point of modern. भाई जो कहती है एक starting point है modern period की, and India generally refers to a period of colonial rule and domination. Advent of British in India followed at around 17th century. 4 century the British exercised complete subordination, blazing the 200 year of rule not only impact the sphere of politics and economics, लेकिन उसने क्या करा, जो स्ट्रक्चर था आपका उसने कंसिडरेबल चेंजेस लेके आए। नाउ 3 पीरियड, जेम्स मिल ने हिंदू, मुस्लिम और ब्रिटिश में डिवाइड करता है 1817 में। उसके बाद हमने किस में डिवाइड करा, एंशिएंट, मेडिवल, मॉडर्न। सो सम वेस्टर्न हिस्टोरियन ने उनको किस में डिवाइड करा, एंशिएंट, मेडिवल और मॉडर्न में। एंड इट इज द रीजन डेमोक्रेसी, लिबर्टी एंड इक्वालिटी जो टर्म मेडिवल है, it was used to describe a society out of reach. No equality, liberty, democracy under the British rule of modern period. There was no economic growth. किसी भी तरीके की कोई भी economic growth भी नहीं थी. Now colonial period. It is related to the country controls and rules. So what happened? We shall study about the way British conquered, brought good at lower prices, forced the peasant to produce crops, delivered to export and other things. So what happened? When a country is ruled by another, it leads to political, economic and social cultural changes. So policy and practice of establishing rule of one country over the other for deriving economic benefits, उसको हम colonialism कहते हैं. Now sources of history of modern period, and now let's study about the changes under British rule. So acquisition and expansion of territorial possession is meant for increasing involvement. Company and tax collection, particular land revenue, and British transformed themselves into ruling power, and presence become more visible and prominent, and they were imposing structure. Right, the club was social center, यहाँ पे games, amusement और other different recreational activities होती थी. A network of roads and railways unified the country by linking one area with other, and affordable half and a uniform postage rate are there. Now periodization, the period of going to study is called modern period. It began in Europe with the coming of the industrial revolution, in which goods were produced over, and most of the important result जो था वो था growth of colonialism. Goods to be sold, a large market was needed, so this prompted Britain and other European countries to search overseas or for colonies as a market for finished good. Sources, know that sources of material can be seen here. So national archives की हम बात करें, national archives of India came into existence when needs were felt or vulnerable records. Perspective क्या था, national struggle through the eyes of the common people, it was gained, so sounds and going. Books, newspaper, magazine, the printing press which was invented Germany in 15th century, it came into common use. Right? Books were printed both in English and various regional language. People write the authenticative information. Right? जितनी भी authenticative information थे वो उसमें लिखी जाती थी books में, magazines में, and the records of archives kept in series of dating. ठीक है, वो आपके डॉक्यूमेंट्स इंग्लिश में भी होते थे, अराबिक में, संस्कृत में, बंगाली में. दे यूज पेपर, पाम लीफ, बाप, एंड गवर्नमेंट म्यूजियम जैसे आपके चेन्नई, मुंबई, कोलकाता, यहाँ पे आपके ओरिजिनल डॉक्यूमेंट्स रखे जाते हैं. नाउ लेट्स स्टडी अबाउट सर्वे रिपोर्ट. द ब्रिटिश ऑल्सो बिगिन प्रैक्टिस ऑफ कंडक्टिंग सर्वे. ये पॉपुलेशन सर्वे करते थे, रेवेन्यू का सर्वे करते थे, लैंड का, एंड मैपिंग वॉज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर दिस सर्वे. यहाँ पे आपके टॉपोग्राफिक मैप्स होते थे, सेंसस ऑपरेशंस होते थे. राइट, अदर सोर्सेस क्या थे, द फ्रस्ट्रेशन, जब अपना एंगर शो करना था. तो व्हाट हैपन, जो आपकी राजसुंदरी दासी थी, इट वाज द फर्स्ट वुमन, इन्होंने ऑटोबायोग्राफी लिखी थी बंगाली में. जिसका नाम था अमरजीत. What records do they tell? The official records tell most about thoughts and activities of the government. But the feelings of motivation was so. More than 2,000 policemen in Delhi refused to take food on Thursday. So there was plenty of other written sources that came to be known as general public diaries of people, accounts of pilgrim, traveler, printing, spread, newspaper. They were published with debated idea. So we have Bengal Gazette, weekly commercial magazine, which is printed by the European, discovered new geographic lands and made accurate maps also. Right? So next is another part of the world, European, what happened? They settled particularly from Britain in American continent. There were 13 colonies in the North America. And in 1783, the England seat recognized independence of American colonies. And they were Republican form of government, right? Only 6 years after the American became Republic Revolution, it took place. French society was divided into 3 classes. Clergy the, officials the, और आपके nobility. Right? This is all in this chapter. Now let's do the exercise. First is British rule in India is called colonial rule. The Dutch historian wrote about the life of the ruler, contemporary. वास्को ड गामा कहाँ पे आता है आपके कालीगढ़ पे. हैदर शाह इन्वेडेड. हैदर शाह थे वो कहाँ इन्वेड करे थे 1397. एंड एक्टिविटी ऑफ मेकिंग मैप्स क्या कहा जाता है कार्टोग्राफ. The modern history is generally refers to as period of colonialism. Dash were the first to arrive in India in 1498. So Portuguese आए थे. The British Dutch efforts was very limited surveying. Next is Dash in the South and elaborate records of the life in South India. Kallipat. The new elite established Western life in the style using dash and dash, English and education. Modern period India refers to the period where India was ruled by many dash powers. Very many European powers. Now write T for true and F for false statement. So official documents जो होते हैं वो आपके जो official document होते हैं that helps us to understand people, the country, think and write true. The British thought surveys are important for effective administration. It's true. England was the first country to experience. It's true. Printing of books on India was done in ancient time. It's true. Indus Revolution began in England. It's true. The British education efforts were limited. It's false. Now for 1498, Vasco da Gama. Mid 18th century. 1870. Aurangzeb died 1707. नारदेर शाह का इन्वेजन हुआ 1739 में. जेम्सविल इन्वेंशन ऑफ स्टीम इंजन एंड कॉलोनियल रूल इज रिलेटेड टू कंट्री. नाउ आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन. आपको डिस्कस करना है ऑफिशियल रिकॉर्ड्स. डिस्क्राइब द 3 पीरियड्स ऑफ हिस्ट्री इन डिटेल. एंशिएंट, मेडिवल, मॉडर्न. कॉलोनियल पीरियड को बताना है आपको डिटेल में. डिस्कस द वेरियस सोर्सेज यूज्ड टू राइट हिस्टोरिक मॉडर्न पीरियड. Describe new geographical categories formed by the world and beyond India. What is known as Industrial Revolution and why Vasco da Gama was India? And regarded as a landmark history. And what are the sources of studying history? और क्या problems थी जो periodization हुआ था Indian history को, उसकी क्या क्या problems थी? And Why did post 18th century show rebuilding of almost all the countries of the world? Right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we'll meet in the next class. Thank you.